The Zimbabwe Republic Police ZVAITWA is fired Assistant Inspector Mandizvidza after he took to social media in mid-August, delivering a series of explosive political rants in a style reminiscent of social media personality Comrade Geza, real name Blessed Geza, also known as Bombshell. Sabina Mashoko Pankwa Energy's Assistant Inspector Mandizvidza fired. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. But you know us 11 December 2025. I'm Daniel Rajiti. Mandizvidza's video posted on 13 and 14 August criticized President Mnangagwa's governance, accused the top officials of corruption, and urged Zimbabweans to stand up against the captured state. It's a dramatic delivery, confrontational tone, and the street style commentary drew immediate comparison to Comrade Geza, who is known for his provocative, outspoken criticism of ZANU-PF elites. Mandizvidza recorded this message while in his police uniform, triggering alarm within law enforcement circles and raising concerns about dissent inside the country's security institutions. His video went viral, circulating widely on TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp, where many Zimbabweans debated whether his statements reflected a growing frustration among rank and file officers. In a statement issued on 3 December 2025, the ZVAITWA confirmed that Mandizvidza has been dismissed following duly constituted and appropriate administrative procedures. The police said he ceased to be a member of the service with immediate effect. The Commissioner General of Police maintains a zero-tolerance policy towards criminal acts and disorderly behavior by police officers, the statement said, adding that no serving member is permitted to engage in political acts, incite public disorder, or conduct themselves in a manner that brings the organization into disrepute. Do mashoko achakupedengura kubva muZim ai pamusoro pekufa kwaAssistant Inspector Mandizvidza. Pana kumasection yetu nzofunguro ema tudipa pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.